If you're seeing a Pixlr internal server error, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast, especially if the issue is caused by your browser, cookies, cache, or an extension. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to isolate the cause and get Pixlr loading properly again. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, we want to isolate the browser. The easiest way to do that is to open Pixlr in an Incognito window. On most browsers, you can do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows. If you're on a Mac, use the equivalent private browsing shortcut for your browser. Once the Incognito window opens, go back to Pixlr and try loading the site again. If Pixlr works in Incognito mode, that's a big clue that the issue is not Pixlr itself, but something stored in your normal browser session. In most cases, that means a browser extension, a cookie problem, or cached data is interfering with the site. If Incognito works, the next step is to turn off ad blockers or privacy extensions for Pixlr. Extensions like ad blockers, script blockers, and aggressive privacy tools can sometimes prevent Pixlr from loading correctly or from connecting to its services. Open your extensions menu and temporarily disable anything that might interfere with the site. Then refresh Pixlr and test it again. If the error disappears, you found the cause. At that point, you can either leave that extension off for Pixlr or add Pixlr to the extension's allo list or trusted sites list so it doesn't block the app in the future. If Incognito still does not fix it, or if you want to fully clean up the browser side, the next step is to clear Pixlr cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for internal server errors, especially when a site has old or corrupted session data saved in your browser. To do this, go to the Pixlr website in your normal browser tab. Click the padlock icon next to the Pixlr URL in the address bar. From there, look for the cookies or site data option. Select the cookies for Pixlr and choose clear or remove data. Depending on your browser, you may also want to clear cached files for the site as well. If you prefer, you can also go into your browser history settings and choose clear browsing data. Make sure you are clearing cookies and cached images and files, at minimum for the Pixlr site, and if needed for the full browser. After clearing the data, close the browser completely and restart it. This step matters because restarting forces the browser to reload Pixlr with a fresh session instead of using the old stored information. Once the browser reopens, go back to Pixlr and test it again. In many cases, these 3 steps are enough to fix the internal server error completely. So to recap, first try Pixlr in Incognito mode to see whether the browser is the problem. If that works, disable ad blockers or privacy extensions for Pixlr. Then clear Pixlr cookies and cache and restart your browser before trying again. These quick fixes solve a lot of browser-based loading problems without needing any complicated steps. If this tutorial helped you fix the Pixlr internal server error, please give the video a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, app fixes, and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.